guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk. Welcome to the 4th Chinese chess lesson. We have learned about 3 different pieces already. Let's remind you guys which ones there are. So we have learned about the soldier. All right, there's 5 soldiers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. The red side. Learn about the soldier and how they move. We've learned about the cannon. All right, the 4 cannons, 2 on each side. And we have learned about the chariot, 2 chariots on each side. So if you have no idea about how these pieces move, please go back to my previous 3 tutorials. And today we're going to talk about the 3rd most important piece in the Chinese chess set, and that is the horse. So I'm going to write it out for you so that you can see what it looks like when the writing is big. So it looks like this. If you want to copy it out, it might help you remember it. And this is called ma, which means horse. Okay, so copy it out if you want. Looks like this. That's the stroke order. Right, 4 straight lines down here, and this is ma. One more time. Ma. 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 If you want to practice saying it with me, ma. So you might also see on some chess sets, even though it's not on this one, that the red ma, the red horse, has a little 2 lines next to it, like that. That is also ma, horse. All right, and if you guys remember, these 2 lines on the left that looks like that, that also means man. Okay, very similar to the chariot will sometimes have a man symbol as part of it. Okay, it just is a different variation so that when 2 people are playing chess, you can tell the pieces are different because they're on different teams. But the functionality is the same. A ma is always positioned here, and I'm now going to show you how they move. Okay, so a ma moves by doing this. It will always move in a straight line first for 1 step. So from here, that's the starting point. It goes forward 1 step to here, and then diagonal 1 step, which will land over here. Okay, so that's how the ma moves. It moves forward 1 step, diagonal 1 step. So you can also choose to move in the other diagonal. So I move forward 1 step, diagonal 1 step. So I am here. All right, you can cross the river with the ma. So I can move sideways 1 step, diagonal 1 step, move to here. Forward 1 step, diagonal 1 step, move to here. Okay, so that's how you move the ma. Now, the second thing you have to realize is that if something is standing in your way, okay, something is standing in your way when you make that first step, you won't be able to pass through them. Okay, I will give you an example. I'll shortly show you it on a real chessboard, but let's say I'm here now and I want to move to here. Okay, so from here, I would move straight and then diagonal. That would be fine if this POW wasn't there, but because the POW is there, it has blocked my movement. So I can't do this move because something is in the way. Now, this is different to English chess. English chess, you can just use the ma and jump over things. Here, you can't. You can't jump over. So that is the fundamental difference between English chess and Chinese chess for the knight or for the horse. So, for example, if my horse is here, let's say my horse is here and I want to move to here, I go forward, and then I run into the POW, so then I'm blocked. I can't move forward. Okay, let's show you this on a real chessboard. Okay, so this is the real chessboard. I'm gonna move the Ma first to here. All right, one straight, one diagonal. So I land to here. And I'm gonna use the same thing with the horse on the other side. Move the Ma. Okay, so just to show you other variations, I'm gonna move the Ma back down here. I'm gonna move the pawn forward here. And oh, I can move the Ma over here. I can move the Ma over here. Now, you can see that there is something I can take. Okay, I can take this pawn or this soldier right here. Take it. And this Ma can also take my soldier. Okay, so yes, you can take the POW from here. Okay, the Ma can now take the chariot. So my next step, if I was playing a real game, would be to escape from that. Otherwise, I would be dead. The chariot, it's very precious. So don't let the Ma take that. Okay, so the Ma on the red. So maybe I'll take the bishop, which I'll explain in the next tutorial. Okay, so then the Ma, I might, if I come over here, guess what happens? Okay, the soldier can take it. Okay, so the black Ma is now gone. Now, I'm going to put the king in check with my red Ma. Oops, it's the black's turn. I might just go over here. Now, obviously, this is not the real game, but my Ma can now take the chariot, but instead of that, I'm going to put the king in check. Put the king in check. Now, it's the black's turn. The only move that the black can do right now, okay, try to move anything else, it won't let you. The only move that I can do is to get my king out of check, and I can do that with the chariot. How does that work? Because the chariot is now standing in the horse's way, so I can no longer jump the king. Okay, so yes, maybe I can retreat my horse, move it back. Now this chariot can now come down here and take my king. Now normally my king can just take the chariot, but because I haven't explained to you guys how the king moves or how the general moves, I'm going to stop the tutorial here. But that is basically how you move the horse. This video hopefully achieved that goal to explain to you how the horse is moved. Next lesson, we're going to talk about the bishop. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.